Learning English. Months of the year. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. In today's lesson, we will be focusing on an essential topic: months of the year. Understanding and being able to talk about the months is crucial for daily conversations, making appointments, scheduling events, and much more. So, let's get started. In English, we have 12 months in a year. Each month has its own unique name. Let's go through them one by one. 1. January. The first month of the year is January. It is often associated with new beginnings, as it marks the start of a fresh year. 2. February. The second month is February. It is the shortest month and is known for Valentine's Day, which falls on the 14th. 3. March. March is the third month. It is associated with the arrival of spring in the Northern Hemisphere. 4. April. April is the fourth month. It is often associated with rainy weather and the arrival of spring flowers. 5. May. May is the fifth month. It is known for its pleasant weather and is often associated with the celebration of Mother's Day. 6. June. June is the sixth month. It marks the beginning of summer in the Northern Hemisphere and is associated with longer days and warmer temperatures. 7. July. July is the seventh month. It is known for Independence Day in the United States, which is celebrated on the 4th of July. 8. August. August is the eighth month. It is often associated with summer vacations and relaxation. 9. September. September is the ninth month. It marks the transition from summer to autumn in the Northern Hemisphere. 10. October. October is the 10th month. It is known for Halloween, which is celebrated on the 31st. 11. November. November is the 11th month. It is associated with the arrival of autumn and the celebration of Thanksgiving in the United States. 12. December. December is the 12th and final month of the year. It is known for its festive atmosphere, as it includes holidays such as Christmas and New Year's Eve. Now that we are familiar with the names of the months, let's learn how to use them in sentences. We use the preposition in to talk about months. I will go on vacation in July. When talking about events or holidays happening on specific dates, we use the preposition on. My birthday is on November 15th. To express duration or how long something lasts, we use for, followed by a period of time. I will be on vacation for 2 weeks in August. Remember to capitalize the names of the months when writing them in sentences. In informal writing, it is common to use abbreviations for the months. Here are the commonly used abbreviations: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Using abbreviations can be helpful when writing dates, such as in a calendar or agenda. That concludes our lesson on the months of the year. By familiarizing yourself with the names, usage, and abbreviations of the months, you have taken an important step towards improving your